Alright, let's play a little financial riddle. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. You want to invest, you want to bank, you want maybe even a little bit of both. You're looking for something that's not just a traditional checking account, and it's definitely not your grandpa's brokerage. You've heard whispers of this thing called M1. But here's the burning question: is it a bank? Is it a brokerage? Is it some hybrid financial Frankenstein? Honestly, if you've ever found yourself staring blankly at the sheer volume of financial services out there, you're not alone. It's a jungle, a labyrinth of acronyms and jargon, and trying to figure out where M1 fits and can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. So, let's cut through the noise. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and unravel this mystery. What exactly is M1? To really understand M1, we need to step back for a moment and consider the evolution of financial services. Traditionally, you had banks for your everyday transactions, checking, savings, maybe a loan. Then, you had brokerages for your investments, stocks, bonds, mutual funds. These were distinct entities, operating in separate spheres. But the world is changing. Technology is blurring lines, and consumers are demanding more integrated, streamlined solutions. We want it all, and we want it now. Enter platforms like M1, which are designed to bridge the gap between banking and investing. Now, here's the key takeaway: M1 is not a bank in the traditional sense. It's also not just a brokerage. It's something of a hybrid, a financial platform that offers a suite of integrated services, combining the features of both a brokerage and a banking platform. Think of it as a personalized financial ecosystem. At its core, M1 is a robo-advisor-powered brokerage. It allows you to build and manage a diversified investment portfolio, tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. You can create what M1 calls pies, which are essentially custom portfolios made up of different stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares. This is where the robo-advisor element comes in. M1 automates the rebalancing of your portfolio, ensuring that your holdings stay aligned with your target allocations. You set it and forget it, letting the platform do the heavy lifting. This is a huge draw for those who want a hands-off approach to investing. But M1 doesn't stop there. It also offers banking-like features, including a checking account and a debit card. This account, however, is not a traditional bank account in the sense that M1 itself is not a bank. Instead, they partner with Lincoln Savings Bank, member FDIC, to provide these services. The M1 Spend account allows you to manage your everyday finances, deposit checks, pay bills, and make purchases. It also offers a competitive interest rate, which can be a significant advantage over traditional checking accounts. And then there's M1 Borrow, a line of credit that allows you to borrow against your investment portfolio. This is a unique feature that blurs the lines between investing and borrowing. You can access funds without selling your investments, providing a flexible source of capital. So, to recap, M1 offers three primary services: M1 Invest, brokerage, M1 Spend, checking, and M1 Borrow, portfolio line of credit. These services are integrated into a single platform, creating a seamless financial experience. Now, let's dive a little deeper into each of these components. First, M1 Invest. This is the heart of the M1 platform. The pies concept is what sets it apart. You can create a pie based on your own research or choose from pre-built pies created by M1. These pies can be as simple or as complex as you want, allowing you to tailor your portfolio to your specific needs. The fractional shares feature is particularly noteworthy. It allows you to invest in high-priced stocks, like Amazon or Google, even if you don't have enough money to buy a full share. This opens up investing to a wider range of people, making it more accessible and inclusive. The automatic rebalancing is another significant advantage. It ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your target allocations, even as market conditions change. This can help you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making, which can be detrimental to your long-term investment performance. Now, let's move on to M1 Spend. This is where the banking-like features come into play. The checking account offers a competitive interest rate, which is a significant advantage over traditional checking accounts. It also offers a debit card, which you can use for everyday purchases. The integration between M1 Spend and M1 Invest is seamless. You can easily transfer funds between your checking account and your investment portfolio, making it easy to manage your finances in one place. Finally, let's talk about M1 Borrow. This is a unique feature that allows you to borrow against your investment portfolio. You can access funds without selling your investments, providing a flexible source of capital. This can be particularly useful for short-term needs, such as unexpected expenses or investment opportunities. However, it's important to remember that borrowing against your portfolio can be risky. If your investments decline in value, you could be forced to sell them at a loss to repay your loan. So, who is M1 for? It's for anyone who wants a more integrated and streamlined approach to managing their finances. It's for those who want the convenience of a robo-advisor-powered brokerage, combined with the flexibility of a checking account and a portfolio line of credit. It's also for those who want a hands-off approach to investing. The automatic rebalancing and fractional shares features make it easy to build and manage a diversified portfolio, even if you don't have a lot of experience. However, M1 may not be for everyone. If you prefer a more traditional banking experience, or if you want more control over your investment decisions, you may be better off with a traditional bank or brokerage. It's important to note that M1 is a platform that's constantly evolving. They are adding new features and services all the time. So, it's worth keeping an eye on their developments. In summary, M1 is a financial platform that combines the features of a brokerage and a banking platform. It offers a suite of integrated services, including a robo-advisor-powered brokerage, a checking account, and a portfolio line of credit. It's not a bank itself, but a financial platform partnering with banks to provide banking services. It's a unique and innovative approach to managing your finances, and it's worth considering if you're looking for a more integrated and streamlined experience. So, to answer the initial question, M1 is not a traditional bank, nor is it a traditional brokerage. It's a financial platform that bridges the gap between the two, offering a unique blend of investing and banking services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.